guys, ngayon ay nag-ano tayo, may stand yung cellphone ko, pwede siyang ganito guys. So guys, tignan nyo guys, guys, diba? Ganda guys, diba? Uy, go. Sorry guys. So guys, huwag nyo report guys ha, sorry. Hindi ko sinasadya yung guys, sorry guys. Ano kasi guys? Guys, yun yung kickstand ng cellphone ko guys, yung stand guys, pwede siyang ganito. Bye guys, dito. 60 seconds yan guys. Ito yung ano niya, tinanggal ko yung cellphone case na guys. Hindi to iPhone Android to guys, Android. Wala tayong iPhone kasi wala kaming pera pambili ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. Wala kaming pera guys. Wala tayong pera pambili ng iPhone 15 Pro Max. Bye guys, matapos na ang video guys. Like and subscribe guys. Bye.